Hello and welcome. In this video I want to rescue the life of this little padlock. It was sent to me by No Trick Pony Lockpicking, and this note came along. Destroy, kill, death. In a more verbose manner you can read in the letter: kill it with fire or something else. This ugly monster has to be slain in the most cruel and humiliating manner you can imagine. Find a rake that does not open this Boccia in seconds, then destroy it. If you can, show everyone that this is just an ugly monster in sheep's clothing, pins and build quality. Well, it's a little padlock. Okay, it might have been made in China, but if you look at the scratches and the marks on this lock, I guess it had a bad time. So I think this lock has just a broken heart. And if you look inside the keyway, you can see pin 1 and pin 3 way up. So this is not normal for a healthy lock. You can see all the 5 pins. But pin 1 and 3 are definitely not in a good state. But I cannot harm this little lock because it's so cute. Instead I want to operate it, and you can see it still opens with a nice satisfying click. Now let's try to pick it. I don't have a rake, but I will use my flat flag to get it open with light tension, and I just jiggle around and see what happens, and it opens. So, as everyone with a broken heart, also this lock is susceptible to temptations, and it even sometimes provides a nice joke. You can see it has fallen into a little false set, but you will never able to pick it out of this false set. What we have to do instead is you have to release tension and it opens. So although it has a broken heart, it still provides a little joke, a little trick to make you happy. So thank you very much, little padlock, and thank you very much, Ulrik, for sending it my way. Sorry, I will not be able to fulfill your quest to kill this lock, but I think it will stay in my collection because it's cute and it had a bad time, and I want to give it a good home for the rest of its life. So everybody else, thank you very much for watching, happy picking, and bye bye. Open. 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 Open.